NASA is hiding something insane about this planet. NASA doesn't want you to know this, but there are planets out there that defy everything we thought we knew about the universe. Worlds so terrifying, so extreme, that they shouldn't even exist. And yet they do. Today, we're uncovering some of the strangest and most nightmarish planets ever discovered, and trust me, what you're about to hear will change the way you see the cosmos forever. TREES-2b, the planet where light goes to die. Floating in space, absorbing all light. First up, we have TREES-2b, a gas giant so dark that it absorbs almost all the light that touches it. Imagine staring into the void of space, but even darker. Scientists call it the blackest planet ever found. And here's the crazy part. Its surface reflects less than 1% of light. For comparison, charcoal reflects more light than this planet. But why? Show scientific animations of how the planet's atmosphere works. Scientists believe the atmosphere of TREES-2b contains vaporized sodium, potassium, and gaseous titanium oxide, compounds that absorb light like a cosmic black hole. But there's something even more disturbing. Some researchers think this planet might emit a faint, eerie red glow because of its burning hot air, which reaches temperatures of over 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit, 980 degrees Celsius. Picture this, a planet that looks like a pitch-black void with a ghostly red mist flickering across its surface. Sound like something out of a horror movie? Well, it's real. What would happen if you fell into TREES-2b? 55. Cancri E, the planet of eternal fire transition to fiery lava-filled visuals of 55 Cancri E. Now, if you thought TREES-2b was terrifying, wait until you meet 55 Cancri E. This planet is so close to its sun that half of its surface is literally a never-ending ocean of molten lava. But that's not the worst part. The other half, eternal darkness. The planet is tidally locked, meaning the same side always faces the star. The scorching side reaches temperatures of over 4,400 degrees Fahrenheit, 2,400 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt iron. The night side, a place where temperatures plunge to negative 250 degrees Fahrenheit, negative 157 degrees Celsius, a frozen wasteland. But between these two nightmares lies something even stranger, the Twilight Zone, a thin strip of land caught between fire and ice, where the sky is in a permanent state of eerie dimness. Could life exist here? Some scientists think it's possible, but only if that life is unlike anything we've ever imagined. WASP-12b, the doomed planet, being eaten alive. Some planets burn, some freeze, but WASP-12b? It's being ripped apart. This gas giant orbits so close to its star that its atmosphere is literally being stripped away. Every second, it loses billions of tons of material, forming a massive, fiery tail. Like a comet, scientists estimate that in just a few million years, WASP-12b will be completely devoured by its own sun. Imagine living on a planet that's slowly disintegrating into space. Gliese 436b, the planet of burning ice, show a frozen planet covered in solid ice but with fire surrounding it. Now, here's a paradox for you. a planet covered in ice that's on fire. Welcome to Gliese 436 IE, a world where temperatures reach over 800 degrees Fahrenheit, 427 degrees Celsius, yet it remains frozen. But how? The answer lies in its extreme atmospheric pressure, which forces water molecules into a dense form known as hot ice. It doesn't melt because the pressure is so high that the molecules stay locked in place despite the scorching heat. A planet of burning ice? The universe never ceases to amaze? HD 189733. B. The planet where it rains glass? You've heard of acid rain, but what about glass rain? HD 189733b is a deep blue planet that looks beautiful from space, but if you ever got close, you'd be shredded to pieces. That's because its atmosphere is filled with silicate particles that create shards of glass when caught in the planet's terrifying 4,300 miles per hour winds. That's 7 times the speed of sound. Imagine a never-ending hurricane, but instead of rain, it's raining glass, traveling at hypersonic speeds. Just 1 second in this storm and you'd be torn apart instantly. What is NASA hiding? NASA has been observing these planets for years, but they rarely talk about them. Why? What aren't they telling us? Some believe that they're keeping quiet because these planets challenge what we thought we knew about physics and planetary science. Others think something even more bizarre is at play. Could there be life on one of these extreme worlds? Could these planets hold clues about the fate of our own planet? And most importantly, what else is out there that we don't even know about yet? The universe is filled with terrifying, unexplainable mysteries, and these are just the ones we know about. What else is hiding out there in the darkness? Let me know what you think in the comments. Could we one day explore these worlds? Or should we be terrified of what we might find? And if you want to hear about more insane space discoveries, check out this video here. Trust me, you won't believe what we found next.